Intense dance feature this week's features none other than the Clean Step Skankaz straight out of Portmore. First of all, introduce yourself for me, please.
Omar Clean Step.
Yeah, this is Crazy Clean Step.
Alright, tell us how long the group been around.
Around 5 years now in Portmore.
What part of Portmore you guys represent?
Newlands.
How many members are part of the group?
Around 6 of us. You know, we have Crazy Clean Step, we have Omar Clean Step, we have Okina Clean Step, we have Rashid Clean Step, we have Tevin Dan Clean Step, and you have Vani Clean Step.
So on the left out the rest of the man then.
Up on the road, busy.
Tell us some of the things that you guys have been involved in over the past couple of years.
Alright, well, we kind of get involved with some kind of competition and stuff, and now I'm trying to push ourselves right now to the limit. Right now we can get even some bookings, so we have to try to push out the work hard as possible we can, you know.
And you've been doing workshops and stuff like this as well?
Yes.
Tell us some of the steps that you guys are responsible for.
Hot sauce, we have overflow,
Wall one.
we have don't stop the flow, we have me no know.
Which one you're going to be showing us today?
Alright, we're going to show you me no know today.
Yes, Minano and Zip It.
So me no know is like, I was thinking like, you know, some people ask a question like, you say, me no know, like, you know, it kind of simple, you know, so when time people ask a question, if you going to the party, yo, chap, you know, I go to the party, I say, you know, like, you know.
That's what inspired it?
It's like an everyday thing to some people when some question and things that you don't know, they always be like, me no know.
There's a lot of dance groups in Jamaica right now. We've been featuring some of them. What makes Clean Step Skankaz unique?
We're one of the hottest dance group in Portmore. We have some hot step right now, so as long as we drop it, people are like, huh? Yeah, I like that one.
Tell me a little bit more about the name Clean Step Skankaz. How to get that name?
People always been there watching us and say, you know, that you guys don't need clean, and every time we go out, we ever clean, put yourself together and well just. Yes, that's why people always say, Clean Step. That's what we get.
So people going to the name?
Yes, Clean Step.
So I'm ready for sure why them calling a Clean Step?
Right now.